What's up, guys? Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Burger again. Today I'm joined by Beloved Guy YT. Or Genuine Cows, you may know him on YouTube. But basically, we're just gonna do this today. I know I said I'll probably be doing the enforcers, but yeah, not really. We just bumped into each other this morning and decided to play. Thank you, chickens. Hope you enjoy this episode. Leave a like and subscribe to both of our channels. And let's keep going. So guys, we're just gonna I don't know, cook some stuff, I guess. So guys, I see a boat over here. I'm just gonna warm the off Lego. Okay, that's it. Okay. Just do that anyway. Boat over there. Oh, that's just a shark. Never mind, that's just a shark. Guys, we got like a lookout tower to look out the dock. But guys, if you haven't realised, I have a cold, and yeah, I'm not really feeling well. But I am still doing YouTube. So I invite these people to our tribe. Let's go to the other base, eh? Good. Always has been tried. Okay. This is good. You make sure no one gets in. We've got new chickens. Actually, I do need some food to harvest this. Sorry, chickens, this is mine. So guys, I know I'm like really quiet because I have a cold, and yeah, I'm sorry for that. But I'm gonna try to speak up. But yeah, until then, I think there you go. We're gonna continue more of this soon. So yeah, we only have two people here so far. Um, Lovely Guy, the Genuine Cow, and myself. Just gonna mine a few rocks and go over there. Try and get like these stone. Hopefully that gets us really good. So guys, we're back. This is my build. Well, this. Luckily I think it's cool. Yeah, so we're gonna be building out here. Maybe just expanding the base. Probably around here. Okay, I think I have an idea. It comes around here. Build base over here. Go over there, connect it to that. And like border off this so it's like resources and no one can get it. Mm-hmm. How good idea. Pretty sure it's it's just a super thing it's called. Ice over there. Go back here. So guys, I built a bit since you were gone. Even though it's like 1 second to you. But extra defense. Going here. That's the dock. Nothing going left, so it's gonna be a bit trickier. So I got this guy here and here. So we got extra defense, just so people don't get in. And then we got the main base, which is already. So I'm gonna help this guy build over here. First, we need to have a gate here, and then walls around there. So guys, the base has expanded a lot. Right, yeah, maybe the Buffalo guy's gone. We've got some new members. Yellow team, which is only one, that one. Cookie chocolate. Yeah, she's team with us. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you around the base. We're making a barricade here. Got the resources outside. There's a watchtower. Got the defense gates. There's a road and archer there. I'm gonna put some when I get some. I'm gonna put some. I think we got a chest. What's this? Yeah. Okay. We don't have a chest. It comes in peace. Wow. This. Oh my god. You lied to me. I think the rest of this episode is just probably gonna be getting back to my base. I lost my horn. I love our horn. I don't even explain stuff. Your shirt. Wow. There we go. Oh, and I have a helmet. Okay, back to normal. Okay. Come on, let's get back. Let's get back. Sharpen my tail, I think. Yep, there's one. Jeez, sorry guys, we will get there as quick as possible. I have no weapons, actually. Let's have it. Let's have this. Oh, where's my base? Could use a hide, but no important. I need to get my base back. Flame running this way, I think. Because we're like right next to the flame line. That traitor! Well, you're not a traitor because he wasn't in the two there. There's the base. You! Oh, I was lost for a sec. The guys were back at the base. I died because this guy just came in and left everyone. Why is this empty? And why are we in this door? Fill myself collected them. Well, I have no idea what to do now because base is basically destroyed. I got an idea. Now I'm no longer a green. Well, I have green clothes and stuff, but yeah, this is the base now. All empty. Their clothes just in case if people still want to get me. I hear you, whoever you are. Gotta open this. Nice. I'm going to try and make one of those because I love the horns. The horns are great. Eat you, eat you, eat you, eat you, and eat you. So guys, we're gonna be making a horn. The horn is yeah, I have enough. 4 logs, 2 sticks. I have enough to make a log. Two, I think. I think I can make two. Oh no, it's him. It's him. Run! I actually gotta run. Because he killed me. He's the guy that killed me. No! Run! Double lost! No! Run! Get up in the tower. The base is empty. Get up in the tower. Where is he? I think he's over in that section B. He could also be coming around behind section A. It won't be near section C because I could see him coming around. Oh, he's in section B. So guys, I'm safe for now unless unless someone comes around there from me. Oh, there's my bridge. Yeah, I made a bridge to around here, so like I can get over here. Walls are gonna be made. Walls, not walls. Hey, who's over there? Hello, 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 neighbors. If you ask me, it looks really good on the outside. Really good. Well, we might need to close up this area, like this bit. Do we? Yeah, I think so. I don't know what I was doing when I was making that bit. So yeah, there's the protection walls. Go in here. Here's a bit. It's more neater, and there's a lot of eggs. Boop, 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 and yummy in my tummy. So I got the eggs. We got a watchtower. Don't really need a hut. Can we build on that? No, we need two logs. How about grinder? So yeah, that's basically this episode. I want to expand though. There's so much things I'm thinking about right now. I'll see if I can expand it on the outside. Hmm. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna put a totem up. What team am I gonna be? I'm gonna be green again. I am going to put a totem up inside the base. You gotta close the door behind you so no enemies get in. Now that no enemies are getting in, I'm allowed to open the doors, but yet I want to be absolutely safe. So let's not go in this way because let's not put it here because it could get destroyed. Put it in this area. So guys, I just need like 3 more stone, and I'm gonna build a stone watchtower, and I'm gonna put it like in the I just here. I'm gonna put it in the middle of our base. That'll be like my area. Like my throne. No, it's not like really a throne because it's like chair. But yeah, that's gonna be my area where like now the royal people go in those towers in movies. They're like, oh, I command you to do this, and I better hurry because oh no, they're just our friendly neighbors. Never mind. So this should be quite easy to make. Oh, which way? I think I came out this way. Someone's trying to attack. No, 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 no. This is gonna be the end. It's gonna be the end. No, no. Oh no. The base. Well, guys, that's a shame. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Now, trying to find a way back home. Probably this way. This way. No, I'm lost. I realize now that I'm in Antarctica. No!